Ever wondered how many ways a fish can be cut? Or perhaps, why some fish dishes taste so differently even when they come from the same species? Well, it's all in the cut. Firstly, we have the fillet, a boneless slice of fish cut parallel to the spine. It's a common cut, used in a plethora of dishes, from pan-fried fillets to the ever-popular fish and chips. Next up is the steak. Unlike the fillet, a steak cut includes a portion of the bone, often thicker and containing part of the spine. This cut is excellent for grilling or baking, and the bone actually imparts additional flavor into the meat. And then there's the butterfly fillet. Imagine a fillet, but cut open to resemble butterfly wings. This cut is often used for stuffing, allowing for a creative combination of flavors. The tail fillet, as the name suggests, is the section of the fish towards the tail. It's usually thinner and smaller, and cooks quickly, making it a perfect choice for quick sauté or stir-fry dishes. The collar is a cut that includes the section behind the gills and along the upper part of the fish. This cut is often prized for its flavorful and fatty meat and is a real treat when grilled. Cheeks are small, tender portions of meat found on the head of some larger fish species. These little gems are incredibly tender and are often considered a delicacy. Trimmings are small pieces trimmed from larger cuts. While they may not look as impressive, they are often used in soups, stews, or fish cakes, and can pack a surprising amount of flavor. Of course, we can't forget the whole fish. This includes the entire fish, perfect for various cooking methods like steaming or roasting. A loin cut is similar to a steak but often refers to a boneless cylindrical cut from larger species like tuna. This cut is perfect for searing or grilling. Lastly, the belly cut includes the fatty and flavorful belly portion of the fish. It's prized in some cultures for its richness and is a key component in sushi and sashimi. So there you have it. 10 different cuts of fish, each with their own unique characteristics, textures, and flavors. Understanding these cuts not only enhances your culinary skills, but also allows you to appreciate the versatility and diversity of fish. Whether you're a professional chef, a home cook, or simply a food lover, knowing your fish cuts can truly elevate your gastronomic experiences.